Everything we built, it's gone.
Check the lower levels! They have to be down there!
Climb! Don't look down! Don't stop! Hero, what is that?
Stay very still. Monday. Perfect, it can keep placing.
Good to have! And so!
You shouldn't have come here, city girl.
I have nowhere else to, It's impossible, everything is too wet!
Then you'll freeze. Nature doesn't take excuses. Do you miss it, the city? I don't even remember my phone number.
Kira, what is that?
Stay very still.
Get me! Leave her!
You learn fast. Where did you tie a knot like that? Corporate team building, finally useful. Ready to keep going? I'm never half going back.
The canvas tent won't hold the snow. We need this roof solid by nightfall.
It will be. Keep it steady. Focus. You have to focus.
Markets closed down today amid severe urban gridlock.
On to hear how they are doing? No. That world is dead. Don't miss. Please don't miss.
I'm slowing you down. Leave me.
We die together or we live together. Shut up and rest.
Kira, please.
Don't miss. Please don't miss. Thank you. Drink. Tomorrow we have work to do.
The ice is breaking. We survived. We did more than survive.
Who builds something like this out here? Bad stout. Smells like chemical dust and rot. Keep your eyes open. We don't know what they left behind.
Get down here!
Stand ahead! Who else is down here?
They already heard you.
Help me, what do we do now? We fight another way out. I can't breathe in here.
Keep moving. Don't stop.
Check the lower levels! They have to be down there!
Not a sound. They have drones? Run! Into the trees!
Don't stop! Keep moving to the high ground! Don't stop! Keep moving! Where are they shooting from? Stay down! Don't move! Grab the roof! Slow down! Ah! Grab on! Ah!
Will it be enough to stop him? It will crush him. I used to need coffee just to open my eyes. Now the cold is enough. The city makes you numb. The forest makes you wake up. Is the view worth it? It's not about the view. It's about knowing you could do it. I used to pay $10 for a handful of these at a store. Now they're just free. They're not free, Anna. We paid for them with our sweat. You sure this is the spot? The ground is dry, the wind is blocked, and the water is close. It's perfect.
1, 2, pull! 1, 2, pull! Then 1, 2, 2, pull! 10, set! 1, 2! Leave the wood! Grip the salt! I gotta get out there!
Don't move. Don't breathe. Small sips, Amana. Everything is glowing.
I'm getting stung, but it smells like heaven. Keep the smoke steady or heaven will break fast.
Not tonight. Keep walking. Is it broke? Please tell me it's not broken. It's just a sprain. But you're on kitchen duty for a week. No more lifting. It's a house. We actually built a house. No, Anna, it's a home. The city never gave us one of those. What do we do tomorrow? Tomorrow we live, Anna. Just like today. It's coming for us, isn't it? The forest is reclaiming everything. Pack the salt and the blades. We move now.
Don't stop! The river is the only way! Don't look down, Anna! Look at me! Just one more step! I'm slipping!
Everything we built, it's gone. We are still here. That's what we built. It's so quiet, like the world died. It's just resting. We have to go, Anna. There's nothing left to eat here. I forgot how hard the ground is here. It's a different kind of trap.
You girls okay? Where the hell did you come from?
From the fire. We're just passing through. It's so loud. The lights, they hurt. Don't look at the lights, Anna. Keep your eyes on the path. Where to now? Somewhere they haven't found yet.